Hello everyone, this is Aftab and welcome to 17th Easyway HTML and CSS tutorial. Today I am gonna tell you about a new concept in CSS. Okay, so let's look into our code. So in my previous tutorial I discussed about the listings. Okay, so let's remove this one. Now if you can see this OL and let's make it UL tag. Okay, and remove this type, again close it. Now you can see that this is our main tag UL, and inside this we use multiple li tags for our listings purpose. Now you can assume that this UL is our parent tag, and these li we can assume it by child tags. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you something about parent child concept. Okay, so this type of structure, tag structure, we can call it nesting tags. Means a tag inside another tag. For that, if we use a class for parent tag for UL, this is our parent tag. Now if we use a class for our parent tag and want to apply CSS for all these child tags, I wanna apply CSS for all these child tags. So for this purpose, it is better to use another method than define class for all these child tags. Okay, if we can design by using a class into our tags. Okay, now if I want to use if I want to apply some CSS in my child tags in li, then I need to add classes for all these. Now if I using this kind of big structure of listings, then it is pretty much boring actually to use classes for all these and writing the same class again and again. So it is better to use another method. So that method I am gonna discuss you today. So let's save it. Let's take a look how it looks. Okay, now it is changing to li UL listing. Now if I want to decorate this listing, now you can see that I want to apply all CSS to this. Now for that, what should I do? At first, make a comment for our listing CSS. Okay, now so define a class just here beside the UL. Class equal, you may type like listing. So this we need to define here in our style. Now listing is the class we used for our parent tag. Now after this listing, give a space and type the name of the tag for which you want to apply the CSS. So my tag name is li. You guys already know that we can use or we can add CSS by tag names. So this way we can apply CSS to all our child tags. So this is the class we define here in our parent tag, which is UL, and I want to actually this UL, all the li's, it contains all the li tags. So it starts here and ends up here. Now if we define listing to the main class, then it will work for all this section. This listing CSS, listing class CSS will work for all this section. Okay, now it will also take the inside tag names. Okay, if we define some paragraph tag here, it will also take that. Now I want to use all the CSS. I want to apply CSS for all the LIs. So this way we can apply some CSS, just the tag name which we used for our parent tag. After that, give the tag name. Okay, so this is our class name. Sorry, this is a class name for which we define for our parent tag, and after that, giving a space, just write the tag name for which you wanna apply all the CSS. Now let's take a look about some CSS which we can apply for our listings. So at first, list style type. Okay, the type attribute we already used here. Okay, you guys already know that about type attribute. So this work we can do by list style type. Okay, so here we can define circle. Okay, let's take a look. Now you can see that it changing to circle. We can define here disk. Okay, we can write like decimal. It is changing to numbers. Okay, square. And simply none of this, just type none. Nothing will appear here for none. Okay, so next one will be list style image. Guys, this is a very important thing. We can define our own type of what can I say, own type of that small thing appears beside the li. I don't know the name actually. You can consider that the list style type. Okay, which type we used here, but we can change it. We can make our own. Okay, so let's make one. Open your paint. Just make a small image. Okay, it is a 22 by 22 pixels. Okay, now I'm gonna write here a arrow. Actually the size is so big, I need to, okay, 14 is enough. Now it looks good. Now I need to change the background color of this. For this purpose, I need to take a look about around my background color is, okay, this is not a background color actually. We used actually try to make a something like this, something like this. Okay, now okay, now save it. Where do you put your CSS actually, HTML and CSS? So here in our image folder, give a name like type, and save it. Save as type will be PNG. Just save it. Now we can see it from here. there it appears. Okay, now go back to our CSS. Any kind of image, when we link a image in our CSS, that will be doing by URL. Okay, actually it is a good method. We can do it by URL. Other way, we can do it by, actually do it by URL. Now double quotation inside this image slash type dot png, save it. Let's look how it appears. Okay, we do some mistake in our linking. Image type dot png. Wait a minute. Yeah, it appears now. Okay, we need to add this double dot sign. It consider the current directory actually. Okay, when we use this URL, you can call it a function, URL function, then it will search for current directory first. This is the current directory, then inside this image, and then type. Actually this CSS loads here. We write CSS inside this folder, and we put our image in image folder. So that's why we need to get out from this current directory. By double dot sign we can get out from this current directory, then the image in we get into the image directory, then type.png. Now you can say that we can define our own type, image type. Okay, list style type, by creating our own image. Okay, we can make it better. I am just giving you an example, so you guys can make it better. Okay, so move on to our next property, which is, we can change it the color as usual. It is a common property, so let's make it like red. All our listing colors now in red. Okay, so you guys can see that I'm just writing a CSS in one place and it applicable for all those tags, but I didn't define any kind of classes here. So this is a pretty much good method to writing a CSS for our child tags if we define a class in our parent tag. Okay, so next one is border. I need to give border 1px solid, and it will be on black color. Wow, you can see that. Okay, background, we can set a background value hash. Let's BCD. I don't know what is it. I'm just giving a color. Okay, pretty much good color, you can see that. Okay, our listing appears in whole over the screen, so we can define its width. Width will be 350px. Okay, it looks good. So this kind of CSS we can apply for our listings. Actually you guys already know that all kinds of CSS we can apply it. This too is mainly dedicated for list style types, listing purpose. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.